Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to view your watch history on YouTube application on your phone. And for this we go to the YouTube application and log into your account. Then go right in the bottom to your profile and from here tap on the wheel right in the top. Then tap on manage all history, and on this page you can see all the videos that you have watched. If you want to change the date, you can show history older than, and then you will see all the videos that you have watched which are older than the date that you fill in. Alright, this is the way how you can see all your history on YouTube or your watch history, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you have questions, please comment them below, because then I can help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then thanks for watching.